Want to turn text into video or animate your images? Let me show you how Vivago AI makes it super simple. Runway ML is great, but Vivago AI takes video generation to the next level. Let me show you how. First, go to the Vivago AI website. On the right side, you will see a white box. Click on register and log in using your Google account. This is Vivago AI homepage. On the left side, you will find various tools including video generation, image generation, 3D generation, and character generation. We will focus on the video generation tool, so click on that. Once you click, a box will appear with three options: text to video, image to video, and remove background. Select the text to video option. Here you will see a prompt box where you need to enter the details of the video you want. For example, if I want to create a video of a car, I will enter the prompt describing it. Then you will need to set up the video duration, motion strength, aspect ratio, seed, and any negative prompts. After entering all the details, click on generate. And within few seconds, your video will be ready. Here is the result. Next, let's check out the image to video option. Click on it. Then upload the image you want to use. For instance, I will upload an image of a cat. Below you will need to enter a prompt for how you want the image to move or animate. You can also select specific actions if you want the image to perform. If needed, you can upload a video and modify it as well. There is also a magic brush feature which is available for paid users. After selecting the video duration, seed, and negative prompt, click generate. And within few minutes, your image to video will be ready. Here is the final result. Isn't it great? So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such AI tools tutorial. See you in the next one.